This is your boy Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing today the Zealot S98, a huge speaker. Huge speaker. And since this wrap, oh. Oh shit, I almost broke the box right here. I gotta watch it with this knife. This Chemex steel, whatever it's called. Jesus, I almost. Oh, this is the top of the box. That's okay, I poked the top of the box. Ain't nothing major. Nothing major, guys, nothing major. Okay, so I don't need the knife, the pretty knife no more. I don't want to make a hole in the box. So it looks like it has some damage there, but that's okay. The box is not completely ruined. So here we go. Packaged up gratefully. This thing is huge. So we got the Zealot S98 speaker. You guys can see it here better. It's waterproof and more. So let's get this thing open. Oh, that was easy. I mean, that was easy is what I meant to say. And the affiliate link to this speaker will be provided in the comment section down below. And guys, remember, when you click on that affiliate link, I don't know none of your information. All you're doing is helping the channel, helping me purchase more of these products by clicking on the affiliate link. You know, I get a little bit of commission. It's not a lot, but something is better than nothing, like I like to say. Something is definitely better than nothing. You know what I'm saying? So, really helps out the channel. So here we go. Get this thing open. What comes in the box? We got the little Zealot bag right here. Okay? Little Zealot bag. Why is not coming? Okay, so what's in the bag? What's in the bag? A USB Type-C to Type-C cord to either charge or do reverse charging. And we got the aux cable. A lot of people say, oh man, some speakers, I don't care about this cable. This cable is only if you got one of them old. Well, you know, I guess if your Bluetooth's not working and you still got a phone with a headphone jack, then yeah, you could do it that way. But I like Bluetooth more. To me, Bluetooth is the best. Okay, so let's get this thing open. Oh, and we also got the strap. I'll show you guys the strap. It says Zealot on it. Nice looking strap. Looks comfortable too. So we got the strap to go with it. And now let's fully open this speaker. I mean, well, get the speaker. Oh my God, yeah, this speaker's a behemoth. Woo! Jesus, this is the biggest speaker I got. So let's move the box to this side. Here we go. Okay. So here we go. This behemoth blue speaker. Because I got it in blue. In blue, baby, blue. Damn. This thing is freaking huge. Oh my God, this thing is big. I gotta really back it up so you guys can see it. Let's see if it has any power. Yeah, it's in red, so I gotta charge it up. But damn, it's blinking like that because it's gonna it's the Bluetooth. So let's connect it to my favorite iPhone, the iPhone 15 Pro Sierra. I was gonna say Sierra Blue. That's my 13 Pro. A titanium blue. Okay, so under, you're going to look for Zealot S98 -S98. There we go. So now we're going to look for some non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted music. non-copyrighted music. There we go. To make YouTube happy. So we're gonna start with my favorite song. And this thing is supposed to peak power 200 watts. This camera doesn't do it any justice of how big this speaker really is. This thing is huge. Halfway, guys. Then we're gonna turn it up to 100%. You know how I do it. Oh, I'm falling off, guys. I am so sorry. So right here we got the power button, the light button, the mute button. You hold this for 2 seconds and you turn off the lights. Equalizer, play, down and up. And then the back, because I forgot to show you guys this, we got USB Type-C out port, USB Type-C in port to charge the speaker, aux cable, another USB Type A to Type-C or Type A, micro SD card slot. Go ahead, go downstairs, bro. You barking. Okay. And then we got the passive radiators with the big light show right here. Things look massive. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, guys, we got that out the way. I'm sorry I didn't start with that. All right, we got that out the way. Good thing I bought a 65-watt fast charger, because that's what this speaker is going to need. All right, let's play this. Guys, it sounds great. A great sound of speakers, freaking huge. I would literally need the straps for this one. I thought the Zealot, the, what's the other one called? I forgot what it's, Trip Bid was big. No, this is bigger than the Trip Bid. Well, to my eyes. Somebody could correct me in the comment section if you own the Trip Bid. I mean, this thing is loud, like really loud. I could imagine in copyrighted music how loud it would be. Well, shame I can't play it. YouTube, copyright free music. Look at it right there. Let's mess with definitely a beast of a speaker, guys. A beast. When I say this is on beast mode, I can feel the vibrations on the floor. That's how hard this speaker's hitting. I wouldn't expect any less from a huge speaker. The biggest speaker I own. I thought the Soundcore was big. No, this thing is freaking huge. You know, I did the you guys know I did the review on the little brother, the S97, the smaller round one, black one. Now this one's blue, and this is a beast. Shout out to Jagged's Reviews. He's the reason why I got the speaker. I either wanted this one or the Trip Bid, and he said this one was better, so I'm taking his word for it. And I love the way it looks. Love the mash. You know, it's an awesome looking speaker. Awesome looking speaker. So let's look up some specs. I want to look up some specs real quick on this speaker. You guys know my videos are usually not that short. You know what I'm saying? So why is it pulling up JBL? This is not a JBL. That's crazy. Put it so I can see the name. Zealot. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on, guys. This is funny. Hold on, guys. All right, so let's look at some specs. $230 with a $40 discount. Because you see, it's 160 watts, but peak power is 200 watts. As you guys can see right there. Definitely a great looking speaker. I don't know how this guy's carrying it because this thing is huge. This thing is huge, so I don't know how the hell this guy's carrying it. It says 16.1 pounds. So it is a heavy speaker. It says it right here. 16.1 pounds. So definitely, and it has a 36,000 milliamp battery. So I'm pretty sure it has, like, I don't know how many hours. And then it says, what's this? Something about 320 watts. If you have two of them. Okay, if you have two of them. So I guess peak power with two would be 400. I don't want to play that video. Let's see what else. See, it says peak power right here. You guys can see it. Peak power 200 watts. All right, let's see right here. Let's see what size. All right, it says it got 24-hour battery life. IPX6. Okay, waterproof. Okay. And that's all these specifications I see here on Amazon.
Mire, dentro de... ¿Y quién cogió la Biblia
And
de
then,
allí?
yo la tengo aquí. Está bien que estoy haciendo un video. So this IPX6 waterproof speaker.
50 pesos para el cable que te lo dejó esto. Están ahí entre la Biblia.
It says IPX6 waterproof.
Esos ya son de José.
So, yeah, I mean, it's a great speaker. I can imagine how loud it's going to be with copyrighted music. I mean, it's non-copyrighted music and it's really loud. I can imagine. No, we already played that one. I don't want to play this one because you see it says no copyright, and every time I play this song, YouTube says it's copyrighted, so I'm not going to... I don't got time to dispute that. I don't got time to dispute that with YouTube. Messing with the equalizer like that and put it in red, it did bring out the tweeters to sound even louder and still getting great bass. When you put it on green, which is to intensify the bass, it like gets lower and you hear more bass than actual voice. You know what I'm saying? I noticed that on a lot of Zealot speakers, and a lot of speakers in general, not just Zealot. Because my other speaker, my Redmi, yeah, if I put the bass on, the bass boost, it brings down the voices on the tweeter, and it just lets out more bass. And that's how Zealot is. That's how a lot of speakers are. Sadly, but that's why they got this extra EQ, which is for voices, and you guys seen it sounds louder, more crisp, and a lot of bass. The bass it has is okay. You don't need that extra bass to make to sound lower. I like it loud. See how loud it is. This thing is even louder now that it has that, and more non-copyrighted music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, guys, I'm running on 3 hours of sleep, so I would love to make this video longer, but I really want to get some rest. I gotta say, on this speaker, this is a major cop. The sound quality is great, especially with the equalizer booster, you know, on red, the EQ on red. You see it's red. It has green for bass and red for voices. A major difference, you know. Is it worth the $234? Yes, it is. No shout of a doubt. No shout of a doubt. Okay. I bought this one on Temu for $134 because it was on sale. Now the original price is $234 to like $350. You know, and it's a great speaker. I mean, you guys have been hearing it for the last 26 minutes, 27 minutes. And I'm sorry about that earlier. My brother just left me some money he owed me, so you know, that's what I was being told. So yeah. So it's a great speaker and it's a major cop. And when I mean a major cop, that means you should get it. Get yourself one. It's a great party pleaser. You want to throw a party in your apartment, you know, by the pool because it is waterproof. Definitely this makes the music flow. Seriously. Let's try one more song.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show anything. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes to protect your soul.
Love that song. That's the last song. 31 minutes. And you could consider this even a review how long on this unboxing. SoundTest, baby. It's a major go. Get yourself one for $234. And if you trust Temu, which I do, I don't know if it's still on sale. No, I think it went up on price. I'm sorry. You can try finding it on Temu for around 150, 180, 190, less than 234. But if you want to do it through Amazon, the affiliate link will be in the comment section down below, pinned down below. Remember, I can't see none of your information when you purchase a speaker. You're just helping and contributing to the fact that I can afford to buy more speakers. That's what you're doing by subscribing to this channel. That's what you're doing by watching this content. And that's what you're doing by buying these products on the affiliate links, guys. That's really important. So other than that, take care, God bless, and be safe. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. You already, and thank you for watching, guys.